Today, Brice and I are going to make donuts, chocolate donuts, because Nana sent us a donut pan and Brice always loves donuts, so we're gonna make him his own special birthday donuts. Hi Brice, and so we're gonna get started.
So let's start making it now. Yeah, I want the chocolate donuts with Legos on them.
Yes, that's what we're making.
Yeah. My husband, you have to make donuts.
Just wait, baby. We have our donut pans, lovely pans from Nana. We have 2 of them. The other one is currently being used by Brice. So we're gonna get started. 1 cup of flour. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 egg. 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/3 cup of milk.
Brice and I have to mix it.
Yes, hopefully. Wait, don't shake it like that. Do it like this.
Oh,
Help mommy. Okay, good. Oh, don't shake it like that, baby.
I was just knocking it up.
I know. Now mommy gotta clean it off.
Yes, this too. This what?
Yeah.
Like that.
There you are, Brice.
Yeah.
This is our recording contraption here. So this recipe calls for 1/4 cup of yogurt, but I looked up a dairy-free substitute because this little one is dairy-free. So you can use the fattened part of the coconut milk that settles on top. So I'm going to get that. So this is what it looks like. It's all fatty on top, and I will spoon it out. Nice and thick. Yeah, this pretty much is the same texture as yogurt. So, that's awesome. So there's my 1/4 cup. So again, we're using dairy-free butter. Dairy-free. When we don't have the actual sticks. This whole audio is not going to be usable.
Mommy,
Yes.
that's not nice.
It's not nice, but it's true. So 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now we're going to pour the liquid into the flour mixture. Hold on, baby. Thank you very much.
Now so this dirty.
Well, we've already put that in. No, we used a different can.
Don't mind it. One more.
No, baby, we have to follow the instructions of the recipe.
Well, it's not wet. Can I eat the chocolate?
No, baby.
Why?
Because it's not time to eat them yet. We have to bake them.
Bake them. Yay!
So I'm gonna spray our pan and get started. No! No, 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 no.
Why?
Because it's not cooked yet. I see that it's on your mouth. What do you want me to do about it now? Hmm? What do you want mommy to do about that?
That's it.
So this episode of Baking with a Toddler has turned into just baking with mommy.
Mommy?
And actually, Bricey is a preschooler now, so we can't even call it baking with a toddler. And we're doing this because Jordan is taking a nap. Grandma and Jetta went out to the store. Daddy is doing work, which is why there's no audio for the first half of this video because Daddy was on a phone call. Well, yeah, he's not talking now. Let me give this a taste. It's gonna be like just enough for 9 donuts. Okay, so we have 9 donuts that are gonna be baked. I've tasted the batter. Probably shouldn't have done that because it has raw egg in it, but I'm a grown-up and I know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna put these in the oven and we're gonna see how they come out. 9 to 10 minutes. I just mixed semi-sweet chocolate chips with coconut oil and I melted them. And I added a dash of cinnamon to make the glaze. The timer is going off for the first batch. So one of them is still just a little wet, so I'm gonna put it on for 1 more minute and see how that goes. So Bricey, did you help mommy this time?
No.
Yeah, at least you're telling the truth. So that was the buzzer going off for the donuts. And now let's take a peek. You gonna help mommy look?
How did the donuts turn out?
Wow, I think they look good. What do you think?
I like them.
Okay, mommy's gonna take them out. Stand on the side, please. Do not touch, it's very, very hot. Very hot. There are our donuts. No touch, they're very hot, so we have to let them cool, okay?
Mom, where's the other ones?
No, there were no other ones. We didn't have enough batter. Perfect, 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 perfect chocolate cake donuts. We're gonna let them cool and then we are going to glaze them. Ah, perfect. Nana would be very proud. See these little perfect donuts. Beautiful, beautiful donuts. And our chocolate glaze. Okay, sit down on your bottom, please. There's Bricey's birthday donut. How is it, Bricey?
Here.
Is that a good donut?
Yeah, and a chocolate one.
With no icing.
Well, no icing.
No sprinkles, no icing.
I want sprinkles on it.
Well, it can't have sprinkles on it if it doesn't have icing.
I want icing on it.
I knew it. Okay, mommy put icing on it. Half-eaten donut, going back to the donut factory for icing.
But the mine is not sprinkles.
Oh, okay, mommy has to get the sprinkles. Rainbow sprinkles for the birthday boy. Sprinkles are always a good idea.
Whoa.
Is that better, Bricey?
Yes. Hi. You are watching Daisy and Dama, and Mommy and Daisy, and Daddy and Dodo.
And it's Bricey's
Happy birthday, donuts!
Happy birthday donuts! Thank you, Nana, for our donut pens.
Mommy,
Yeah.
do you actually see Nana on there?
No, she's not on here. So we're sending her a video message to say thank you.
Thank you, Nana, for our donut stands